Your shoulders connect your ability to interact with the world through your hands with your support system, that is, with your legs and spine. If there's a disconnection between shoulder support and some urgency to get a job done, the usual result is tension and pain. In my shoulder alignment workshop, I help you understand the anatomical connections between your shoulders and your torso. You'll also be able to sense that the way you use your hands determines whether your shoulders are well supported by your spine. You'll learn to relax tension in your shoulders by fine-tuning your perception of them. And you'll practice a subtle but powerful way to replace a habit of poor shoulder support with strength, coordination, and balance. Applying your new shoulder coordination to your fitness routine is an important next step. And you'll also consider how shoulder support affects interpersonal situations, such as establishing a boundary between yourself and another person or a task. Join me for this enlightening, fun, and helpful workshop about shoulder alignment.